Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use sticky notes with Miro AI. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Miro.com, or if you already have the Miro app installed on your device, simply open it and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all your boards and recent activity. From the dashboard, click on Blank Board to create a new workspace. If you prefer working on an existing project, you can open one of your saved boards instead. After clicking, give it a moment to load. You'll need to wait until the white canvas fully opens and appears on your screen. This might take a few seconds depending on your connection, so just be patient while everything loads properly. Now that your canvas is ready, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This is where all your creation tools are located. Click on the sticky note icon to activate the sticky note feature. This tool is perfect for brainstorming, organizing ideas, or mapping out projects visually on your board. Next, you'll see a color palette appear with preset color options. Select a color that fits your workflow or preference. Different colors can help you categorize ideas or distinguish between different types of information at a glance. After selecting your color, click inside the white canvas area to enable the sticky note. This action places a new sticky note directly onto your board, ready for you to customize and use. If the default size doesn't work for you, you can easily resize the sticky note by dragging the corners. Simply click and hold on any corner of the note, then drag it inward or outward until it reaches your desired size. This flexibility allows you to create visual hierarchy and organize your canvas more effectively. Now, click inside the sticky note and type your message or idea. Whatever text you enter will appear on the note, making it visible to anyone who has access to your board. Once you've typed your content, highlight the text to access formatting options. You can change the font style to match your preference or make certain notes stand out. Right beside the font style option, you'll find the font size control. Adjust it to make your text larger or smaller depending on how prominent you want the information to be. You can also drag the sticky note to your preferred location on the canvas. Click and hold the note, then move it anywhere you like to arrange your ideas in a way that makes sense for your project. If you need to add more sticky notes, simply repeat these steps. Adding multiple sticky notes allows you to build comprehensive mind maps, workflows, or project plans directly on your Miro board. This makes collaboration and visual thinking much more intuitive and organized. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.